Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out in the fields. They ain't very green today. We've had a bit of the white stuff. Yes, the white stuff. Didn't come out yesterday because it was coming down. The white stuff was coming down yesterday, so. But it's not too thick, it's quite thin. So hopefully I'll be able to skim over the top of it and find some epic relics. Oh, it sounded like a bit of iron on the surface, but it sounds better now. 12:22. Ooh, could be a hammy on my first hole. Right, I've done me pinpoint. I have to go and get it. I've forgotten it. Well, I haven't forgotten it. It's in my bag. What's that there? Oh, it's green. It's green. It is a thing. Like a little tube. A little copper tube. Let's get some better light on it. A little copper tubey thing. I'm back on the Roman field, so I suppose it's could be Romanish. Romanish. It's a little copper tube. On to the next. Cool, that's where I had the first signal. I walked about 10 feet and I got another signal. There might be something good about snow. Perhaps all that water lying on the surface, because it's starting to go a bit slushy now, look. Perhaps it's creating the perfect field. Well, anyway, I've got this. This thing is just like a furniture stud because it's got a spike on the end, on the back. A nice vicious spike. Yeah, perhaps the snow is producing the perfect field. As in detection field, not green field. Yeah, nothing on it. Lovely jubbly. On to the next. Look, another thing you can do is when you found your target, you just whack the coil into the snow and you've got a perfect place to dig. Perfect. Look at that. I've got a perfect place to put the old spade in. It's marked out beautifully. Oh. Right, let's hope it's something. Sounded reasonable. Sounded a bit CCR-ish though. You know, it might be a CCR. But I've always got it gives you a good signal all the way around. It's worth digging. Right. Sounds a bit better now. Sounds good. Right there. Nope. Nope. Oh, I saw some dark soil then, I think. Methinks I saw a bit. Nope. Ah! What's that? It looks coinish. Oh, you pesky bugger. Oh, it's a shotty. Ugh. Oh, we've got a signal right here. Right, I know where it is, look. Ooh, 12:20. Could be something really nice. lost it. It might still be down there. Is anything on the spade? No. Oh, that's weird. There's a lovely signal on the surface. Where's it gone? Oh, it's a bit cold, that snow. Putting your hand on. It's probably something really small. No. Ah, it's a tiny musket ball. Pistol ball. Oh, bugger, that was ages to find. I got a signal down here. Sounded right proper weird on the surface. Sounds pretty good now though. I reckon it could be a coin. Right there. Oh, it's out. Ow! God, it's cold. What's that? Oh, oh, is it lead? Oh, it's lead. I thought it was Roman for a minute. It looks just like one. Right, let's get my glasses off. I think it's lead. Can't see any green on it. No. Oh, that look just that now. That looks like a Roman coin. Look how sort of rounded the edges are. Right, I'm gonna get this cleaned up. See if there's anything on it, and I'll get back to you. Oh, there it is. I think it's a whizzer. If it is, it's a small one. Either that or a hemweight. So it's either a hemweight or a whizzer. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got a lovely signal down here. $12.19. Right here. Right, spade. Oh, should have had it. Oh, what's that? Ah, it's a CCR. Ugh, CCR. That gave me a good signal. I found a coin. I found a coin. Ah. Yes, looks like a Queen Vicky. Oh, looks a bit smooth. Oh, yeah, very smooth. Oh. Yeah, it's a Queen Vicky bunhead. 18. Is it 66? Oh, I don't know. What's going on there? That was a bit odd. Right, let's get some better light on it. Let's get my glasses off so I can see it better. Is that 66? I think it's 66. Yeah, 66. See it there at the bottom? Just with the mud on it made it look a bit weird. And so it's a bunhead. Queen Vicky. Oh, look how many deer there are. Look, this is obviously just a couple of days worth of the deer walking around. And they got a funny footprint. They got like 2 toes and something at the back. And in some places I saw 2 toes and 2 things at the back. So it's like, there we go, there's one there. So you've got the 2 toes and then 2 horizontal lines going the other way. Yeah, obviously there's one there, look. What's that? Is that a bigger deer? Have they got like little horns on their feet? Horizontal feet? But it's everywhere. Look. They must be, that's why they say there's a major problem with deers running out into the road. Look at them all. Hundreds. Anyway, got a lovely signal over here. Hopefully it's going to be something now I've done all that wandering around and rabbit into the camera. And not a piece of cack. Here's my pointer. Oh, it's a piece of cack. A bit of lead. Well, it'll have to do. It will have to do. A bit more there. God, I thought this was going to be an axe head because it was a banging iron signal. But it's not, it's one of them. It's got a sharp end. Could it be a sword? Probably not. No, it's some sort of a spike. Some sort of a spike. Maybe it went round a fence post. But that's the sort of thing I'll be looking for, wouldn't it? If I take that home and cut that off there, right, then bury that and use the machine that I'm thinking of getting, because that could be a gladius, couldn't it? That could be a Roman sword. It's the right shape. And just bury that as a test subject. Cut that bit off. Yeah, a gladius. Imagine finding a sword. It'd be epic, wouldn't it? Absolutely epic. Oh, not the greatest of hunts today, but I want to head off home before the sun goes down, and it's going down. You know, on my bike. I don't want the roads to freeze or to start freezing. You know, pedalling home on a bicycle, it might be a bit hazardous to one's health. Right, so best finds of the day was a penny and the hem weight. After my little chat to the camera, I found bugger all. It just suddenly dried up. I found a couple of bullet casings, some bits of lead, and my gladius. So, oh yeah, pistol ball. That was it. Ugh. But I just wanted to get out because it's going to be raining tomorrow as well. So, you know, weather's looking proper dicey. And I want to head off before it gets too cold. So it was a little bit of a short hunt today. I'm sorry about that, but I had to wait until the roads had been thawed out a bit before cycling, and I want to shoot off now before the sun goes down and the roads start to freeze again. So you know, it could be dicey. So I'm just sticking to the main roads. Can't go on the footpaths, they're all covered in snow and ice. So I'm going to have a quick coffee and then I'm going to pack up and head off. And hopefully I'll be out tomorrow, but the weather's looking a bit dicey. Yeah, dicey. And there's talk, Boris is talking of lifting some restrictions. Boris Johnson, our Prime Minister. But he says it won't be until the middle of February, which is 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks away. And we don't know what he's going to do. Like, you know, it could be anything. So, I imagine it might be taking us back to the tier systems. And of course, we'll probably be in tier 4. And the pubs will still be locked down. Oh, it's a nightmare. Right. I'm going to finish this here coffee, pack up my gear and head off, because I can feel the temperature starting to get a bit chillier. Oh. Cheers!
Blow blows the wind on my true love, and just